Welcome back to Brotuned, gentlemen. Today we're shooting Aguila 22 Rifle Match Competition, and we're going to be shooting it out of my Tikka T1X, basically factory gun. Just we put it in a Cadex Defense Strike Nuke Evo chassis. Topped off my Razor HD. Let's just see how we can group with this ammo at 50 yards. First 5 shots will be on dead center. We'll get kind of the barrel fouled in, warmed up and seasoned, and then we'll do 4 or 5 shot groups around the outside. We'll see how this rifle does. It's competition match, rifle match competition ammo, so let's see if we're rifle match competition ready with this stuff. So at 50 yards, here we go. Group number 1, fouling group. Not looking good. Okay. First shot must have been a cold bore, but after that it seemed to be coming in and looking all right. This stuff's $8.99 Canadian a box. That's probably the price of a pack of gum in the States. Canadian peso doesn't go very far these days. And I thought we were getting raped for ammo prices. A guy in Australia said that he's paying pretty much double what Canadians are paying, so that's pretty insane. All right, group number 2. Well, first group that actually counts. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Let's see if we can continue, or if it was just a fluke. Group number 2. Pretty solid. All bullets touching and overlapping. Here we go, group number 3. Oh no, terrible. Well, we definitely used about 3/4 inch of that target up. So Let's see if we can tighten it up for our last group. The first two groups looked pretty good, especially for that price. $8.99 a box. That's cheaper than my SK Standard Plus that I normally shoot. See if we can get it all together here on our last group. Not looking like it's gonna happen. Last 3 shots, not too bad, but if you include all 5, definitely not great. Well, hope you enjoyed this little ammo test video, guys, with the T1X. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see if I can get that ammo. Or if you want to see more longer range stuff, 100, 200, 300 yards, I'll see what I can do. All right, guys, till next week, have a great weekend. Take care.